Put it on, make 'em wanna marry me. Put it on, make 'em wanna marry me. What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all like I changed up my intro? Pretty gang, okay, period. Today's video is gonna be one of the typical, you know, hair install, whatever. But yeah, today's video is brought to you by Cranberry Hair. Look at this silk press. Look at the silk press, like, it's gorgeous. I'm not gonna talk too much. You already know what to do. Subscribe, join the pretty gang. And I'm gonna see y'all in literally 2 seconds. Okay, y'all, this how it's looking once it's installed. The lace is dark, like too dark for me, and I didn't put any makeup on it. They could have sent me medium brown, so if you're my skin complexion or lighter, or just like brown in general, you're not sure if your lace is gonna be too dark, go get the transparent if they have that as an option. I'm not sure if they have that or not. I think I'm gonna try to correct it by adding makeup, but at the same time, it's harder to lighten lace than to tint it darker. So okay, so it doesn't look like there was much I could do, which is definitely a con for me. I don't like that at all, because now I'm stuck here with a dark lace, and I actually have another video to film and I'm gonna look crazy. So that's kind of disappointing, but I'm gonna just zoom out real quick so y'all can see all the hair, and then we're gonna talk about the hair itself and all of the pros and cons. Okay, y'all, so here is the hair. This is giving me silk press, like, for real. If you look at it, it looks like textured hair that's been pressed out. Even the way it moves just feels like a silk press. You cannot see my edges. It's really nothing to see. It looks the same as the front, a little too dark. And also my cap is showing through. I should have made it darker, that's my bad. But this up here, there's no cap. So, but yeah, the hair is, so like I said, it looks like a silk press. Okay, you can't tell me this isn't my hair. It's actually, the reason I also say that is it's thin, but not in a bad way. On the mannequin, it did look bad. I was ready to come on here and tell y'all how thin this wig was. First of all, I'm gonna mention, it doesn't feel like I have a wig on. This is how thick the hair is. I know y'all so tired of me doing this, but ignore the makeup on my hand. This is how the hair looks. It's just really thin, but in like a natural type of way. So yeah, I do like that. If you like that natural, like laid look, like, it's not gonna look like a wig, especially if you get the right lace color. Like, this is so flat to my head. This will not look like a wig on you. And y'all see, I usually have to, when I take it off the mannequin head, I have to go back in and hot comb. Honestly, I don't even need to for this wig, because it's just so flat to my head. I feel like they were really going for like natural hair pressed out. So those are the pros. Another con I would say is that they did mention that they don't have large caps for this wig. That's aggravating, because I wear large, so I had to stretch to get this on my head at all. Like, there was a chance that it wasn't going to fit. I'm gonna just turn around real quick so y'all could kind of see the back. I hope y'all can see the movement I'm talking about. Like, it's not stiff, but it is thin, like a natural density. I'm gonna go over the stats real quick just so y'all can hear about this hair really quickly. Okay, so this is obviously from Cranberry Hair, like it says in the title. This is their straight Remy lace front wig in a 13x4, so it's limited parting. It's not 13x6 like I usually wear, and it is 24 inches and a medium cap size, which is 22.5 inches for all my big heads out there. This is not really for us, I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't call this big head friendly because I know people who have bigger heads than me. This is not big head friendly at all, especially the fact that it's one size. That's how you know something's not big head friendly, because we're not one size bitches. We got round bowling balls and then custom wigs. Thank you very much. I would say it's true to length. 24 inches sounds right, but you need to keep in mind that, like I said, very natural density, so the ends are thin, like not thin, but you know, natural tapered in. So towards the end it's just like a few strands, like, you know, it's a little bit see-through, I ain't gonna lie. So keep that in mind when you're choosing your length. But I just want to say, for everybody who is scared to try wigs and like really doesn't want to look wiggy and wants really natural hair, this is your wig. If you got a small head, this is your wig, because it's giving me silk press. Like, I cannot shake it. It's giving me silk press. But yeah, as far as this video goes, that's really all I can say about this hair. Y'all know I like to talk. I'm working on it, so I'm gonna end it here. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Don't give me too much over this lace color, because I definitely didn't do it. If you comment about the lace color, I'm deleting it, because that means you didn't watch the video. I said it's too dark. I'm gonna let y'all go. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Pretty gang, and as always, give me a like, okay, a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram at itsprettymine for more behind the scenes stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.